In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a basic vlog or montage in Vegas. When you open Vegas, this should be the first screen that appears. To set up a new project, click File, New. A dialog box appears with all of the project's settings. I've already created a template with my preferred settings. You can pause the video now to make your settings match mine. The most important step here is to set the project's frame rate. The project's frame rate must match the video's frame rate or else you'll see jittering. For instance, if you shoot your videos in 29.97 FPS, then you have to select this from the drop-down menu. When you're done, click here to save your preset. Then click OK. Click File, Save to save your work. I recommend creating a new folder for each project. Now that the project is set up, you can start importing videos. You can see all of your imported videos by clicking this tab labeled Project Media. Open File Explorer and find the folder with your videos. Drag and drop the videos you want into the Project Media box. This is the timeline. You can drag and drop a video from the Project Media box to add it to the timeline. When this dialog box appears, click No because we already set up the project. Now you can see the clips in the timeline. This is the preview screen, where you can see the video as you edit. On many computers, the preview screen causes the program to lag. To fix this, set the quality to Preview Auto. This won't affect the quality of the final product. This is the track list. Vegas automatically created a video track and an audio track when I inserted this clip. To stay organized, I'm going to name these tracks accordingly by double-clicking. Click anywhere on the timeline to move the timeline cursor to that point in the video. To play or stop the video, press space.
3, 2, 1. Welcome to Stanford!
To zoom in and out, scroll the mouse wheel. To move left and right, hold Shift while scrolling the mouse wheel. To move a clip, click and drag the bar at the top of the clip. To change where a clip starts or ends, click and drag the side of the clip. To delete a clip, click the desired clip and press Delete on the keyboard. To select multiple clips, click the first clip in the desired selection. Then hold Shift and click the last clip. Now that you can manipulate clips on the timeline, all we need are some finishing touches. To add music, drag the song file into the Project Media box. Then drag and drop it into the timeline. Vegas will automatically create a new audio track. Let's name it Music. If you think the music is too loud, you can change the volume of the audio track using this slider. You can also change the volume of individual clips using this gain slider. Now let's add a title to our video. Right-click the video track and click Insert Video Track to create a new track for the text. Click Media Generators, Titles and Text. Drag and drop the default preset into the timeline. Then type in your text. If you ever want to edit your text again, click this icon in the top right corner of the text clip. Remember to click Project Media again to see all of your imported files. Let's say you want to fade in and out at the start and end of the video. To do so, drag the little triangle in the upper corner. You can do this for both video clips and audio clips. Finally, let's say you want to fade from one clip to another. To do so, just move the clips until they overlap. Vegas automatically creates a crossfade. There are many more effects you can apply, but these should be enough to get you started. Now it's time to render the finished product. Click File, Render As. A lot of file types will appear. My go-to is Magix ABC. Once again, I already created a preset, so you can pause the video to make your settings match mine. Once again, make sure that the frame rate matches your project. When you're done, click here to save your preset, then click OK. Make sure that none of these tick boxes are checked. Name your file, select a location to render to, and you're finally good to go.